सत श्री अकाल। सूही महला चौथा। हर हर करे नित कपट कमावे, हृदय शुद्ध न होए। हर हर करे, you chant his name, you take his name, पर नित कपट कमावे। In your consciousness within you, you are earning and indulging in corruption. Nit kapat kamave. You're indulging in corruption and giving in to corruption and evil thoughts. Hirda shuddh na huwe. Your heart cannot become pure. A person outwardly takes the Lord's name but inwardly is only thinking about himself. Someone who lives in such duality, his heart can never be pure. अंदिन करम करे बहुतेरे, सुपने सुख न होए. Night and day he tries and does all the rituals, whatever the rituals are, to please the Lord, to please everyone, to get closer to him. It will, because it is an outward appearance, and he's also doing it probably for his own self-esteem. He's doing everything, but supne sukh na howe. That man's dreams, that man's sleep can never be one with peace. It can never be peaceful because it is the duality that he is living under. Gyani gur bin bhakti na hoi. I love this line. It says, hey wise one, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਨਾ ਸੌਖਾ ਇੰਨਾ ਸਮਝਦਾਰ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਹੋ. You think you're so intelligent. But listen, gurbin, without the guru, without actually understanding and accepting the guru, bhakti na hui. तुसी भक्ति निभा रहे हो, faith निभा रहे हो. You are doing all those rituals and disciplines and austerities and fasts, but guru no तुसी accept नहीं किता. You have not accepted him. You have not accepted the truth. कोरे रंग कदे ना चढ़े, जे लोचे सब कोए. Just like how you have to treat a canvas for the oil colors to get on it, just like how you have to treat a garment before it can be dyed with color, it says kore rang kade na chade. जो कोरा कागज होता है, if it is an untreated garment, उसके ऊपर the color can never be fastened. Just like you, your mind, your soul, if you are trying to put all kinds of colors on it by doing all these rituals and fasts and chanting his name and pretending to be one with him without actually treating your soul, without accepting him in your heart, then how can you become one with him? Je loche sab koe. You can try whatever you want, but that is not going to be successful. Rahao. जप तप संजम वरत करे, पूजा मनमुख रोग न जाए. तुसी जप कर लो, तप कर लो. Basically you chant his name, you do all your rituals and disciplines, fast, varat vi kar lo, and sanjam nal with discipline you follow this entire routine. Puja path bhi kar lo, you take his name, but in your heart the disease that you have of your egotism and duality, of being dishonest, that rog na jaye, manmukh rog na jaye, that disease cannot be treated unless and until you don't treat yourself first. Antar rog maha abhimana, duje bai khwai. What is the disease that you have in your soul? Within you is the rog, the disease of Maha Abhimana. It is magnanimous ego. Your ego and your self-worth, the self-image that you have of feeling good about yourself, of feeling positive thoughts around you, of surrounding yourself with fake people for that fake self-esteem is so big and huge that you are surrounding yourself with duality where it is only khwai. There is only a deep hole of duality, a well of darkness that you're digging yourself into. Bahar bek bahut chaturai, manua deh dis dhave. Outside, you can wear those garments of pretense. You can wear those garments of being a pious and a religious person. And you showcase bahut chaturai. You try to act so clever, saying the right things, wearing the right clothes, pretending to be that honest, acceptable person in society. But in your heart, Manua, your mind is actually running in 10 different directions. Dehe dis dhave. Because you are already thinking and conspiring on how you could become successful, use the situation to your advantage, how you can capitalize on it and benefit from that situation. Haume biya piya sabad na chine, fir juni aave. When you are clad in this ego, when you are completely surrounded in this ego, you don't even remember or have the time to remember his word. Sabad na chine. You're not remembering his word, and his word, his Shabad, the Bani, has all the remedies you need to cure you, but it is not in your mind. Fir juni aave. And because that is something you don't take care of, again and again you are reincarnated and you go through this rut of life trying to figure out the path of righteousness. Nanak nadar kare so buje, so jan naam dhyaye. Agar Nanak nadar kare, if the God is merciful on you and is kind on you, then you're able to understand the Lord. This is where it says, Guru bina bhakti na hui. Once you understand him, so bhuje, so jan naam dhyaye. And then only you're able to meditate on him, understand him, walk with him. Gur Parsadi eko buje, ekas maas mai. Beautiful. Agar Rab chahe, agar if he so wishes, if he so grants you that wish, Gur Prasadi, eko buje, you are become one with the Lord, you understand the Lord, and you are able to understand the one path, which is ekas mein samai, that you become one with him and you follow that path of righteousness while still living a normal life, but be honest and get rid of that duality. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.